personal information. I am Gloria Joana Ursus Verona. I am from Colombia. I am 20 years old. I am a student of UNAT University. I am, sorry, I live in Neiva City. I live the city of Neiva. It is smaller than Bogota. It's hot. In the city there are clinics, universities, hospital, five shopping center and several drugstores. And the people are happy some more than others. The festival of San Juan and San Pedro and December seasons and celebrate. Personality. My hobbies are two. Play soccer and share time with my son. My qualities are I am responsible, honesty, and respectful. And sometimes I am stubborn, boisterous, and routines and weekends plans. Every day I have at 8 in the morning with my son. We have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. Then we take a shower and I do the housework. Then I prepare lunch and at 12:20 now we have lunch. In the afternoon I do activities with my son sleep. They after I go for a walk around the neighborhood and head home to play. At 7:30 we eat dinner after an hour or 1 hour we feel asleep. On the weekends I do general cleaning in the house with my son. Sometimes we sleep in the afternoon or go out to shopping mall. A significant person in your life. One of the most personal in my life is my son. He is John Freddy Medina Bustos. He is 1 year old. John is a cheerful, affectionate, intelligent, and active boy. Sometimes he is selfish and good. He is a small boy with big ears, with a white skin color. The color of his hair is light brown. Share some experience. The experience that made me feel happy was the first time I saw my son. The the day he was born. And one event that made you feel sad, nervous, or worried. The event that made me feel sad was when I had to stay hospitalized for mastitis. It was with wind baking with my son, and he was barely on month or dreams and future plans. My plan for the future is to be able to practice my profession as a Go teacher. And I am a go to work to be able have economic stable, and I plan to live in the house that I plan to buy, based on my saving in the city of Neiva. And so for I don't have in need to get married, and so for I don't plan to have more children. Thank you.